Hello guys, welcome back to our channel ASAD TECH. So today we are going to explore an app and here's the gallery offered by Google Analytics and here's the app. So smart light and fast photo and video gallery. Developer contact is also given. This app is related to photography, photo albums. 4.5 star rating. 181k reviews. 181k reviews and rated for 3 plus 100 million plus downloads. Some pictures, auto organization, and here people, selfies, nature, go, food, and here. So we are going to find photos faster, easy editing, and here's proper nice of works offline. Dark theme is also available. So these are the photos. Safety starts with understanding how developers collect and share your data. Data privacy and security preferences may vary based on your use, region, and age. The developer provides this information and may update it over time. So, no data shared with third parties. And this app may collect these data types: location, personal info, and 3 others. Data is encrypted in transit. You can request the data be deleted. You can independent security reviews, 4.5 star rating. So, have a look of that and allow. And here's continue. So videos, go back and screenshot, and here some screenshots, and all the folders, go to folders, and there many much more things. So this has access to all my photos, and I on back then. Oh sorry, open it. So go back to the app. So this app contains many things, but this app is better. Another. So let's take, and developer contact is also given. So go up, and let's take up the look to reviews. So these are reviews. Let's take positive reviews, and these are many positive reviews. So critical. Some people has critical conditions, but I think that their device is very much thing, and there are 5 star rating overall. App transfer instead of 5. Oh, so many people love this, and there's 4 star people, and these are 3 star people. So go back, and my experience with this app is very good, and I assure you to download this app. So for more technical videos, subscribe to our channel ASAD Tech. So for now, goodbye.